What up, boys?
What is up, you guys? Cameron here with another vlog. This is going to be part 2 of 2. The last time I didn't get everything recorded because we were having issues with the primer on the bumpers. It was starting to react, so by the time that was happening, we just wanted to hurry up, get it done, get it re-primered and on the car. We didn't have enough time to paint it. It was getting pretty late and we had to work the next day. I'm gonna give you a quick walk around of where we're at right now, kind of what we did last time, and then we're gonna get into it. Tonight we are gonna be able to paint it and finish it up. The fitment's gonna be good and we're gonna go from there. We got the fitment dialed in on the front bumper here. It's looking pretty good. I'll show you. I don't know what the best angle would be, but it's lined up pretty good. This will come down a little bit once we get it all bolted in. We are missing a little bit of bolts in there. Focus. There we go. And then the other side's looking pretty good as well. We do have to jack the car up and check out the underneath because we want to make sure we can do the oil change no problem. And the rear bumper is looking alright. This isn't bolted in. We just put the push pins in at the rear bumper here, up here. Other than that, nothing else is bolted in. We kind of forgot to bolt everything in. We just wanted to get out that day. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna jack the car up, or lift the car up, and we're gonna check the undershroud. So this is what we meant by the little drain plug here. This is the hole to service the oil changes. So that right there is the oil filter, and then the drain plug is directly above it, right around here. So we think we might have to cut the hole a little bigger just to make it easier for them to do an oil change. I don't do my oil changes, I get it all done.
I'm sure you can buy a cap.
To get it covered through warranty. So we're gonna take these off and then we're gonna take a look. So what we just did there is we cut open the hole just so it's an easier access point to do an oil change. We decided to cut it instead of making the hole bigger because it's just gonna be a lot easier for them to get at the oil filter. Alright, so we have the front bumper all washed up now. It's time to take the rear bumper off and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna clean it up. My dad has a little bit of fiberglass work to do where the bumper tabs on the inside of the wheel wells. I'll actually show you guys right now. I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see it on camera. Actually, it's really dark in there. Right in here, there's little tabs. My dad's gonna do a little bit of fiberglass work and then we're ready for paint. We're just gonna clean them up and ready to shoot.
So I thought I needed
All right, so we have both bumpers washed up and ready to go. My dad's just sanding down the front bumper. Front bumper has no more work to do, just a little bit more puttying, and the rear bumper has the fiberglass to be done. The mesh pieces are up and hanging up. We have Matt almost ready to shoot. We're gonna get everything ready to go, and then Matt's gonna give it a go. So we're getting ready to shoot. Pretty boy Matt here wasn't ready to spray, so he's got the wrong shoes on, so now I'm gonna have to spray because I don't care about my shoes, Matt does, so we're gonna give these a spray with etch primer. Matt got a little butthurt about what I said earlier, so he found a pair of shoes that have been sitting there for like a year or two. They're just real stank, so he's gonna put them on and gonna go ahead and shoot. These were under there. Nasty, nasty.
A few moments later.
focused? Are you good?
We're good.
Okay.
Alright, so my dad filled in a little bit of pinholes. He worked on that while we painted the little pieces in there. You can't see it, but now it is time for the final sand, and then we can send it into the paint booth. And then we got the rear bumper here. We have a little bit of work, so we're gonna replace tabs. So we're gonna just put a plastic tab in here, and then it'll extend it out, and then we'll re-drill the holes, and then that'll be good. Same with this side here. We're gonna do the same thing, because with the bumper wanting to go out, if we have a space here open, the bumper's just gonna come out, even with a bolt and washer here. So we just want to add a little bit more material so it'll stay on. But other than that, we'll do a more pinhole repair on it, and then final sand, and then it's all ready for paint. Alright, so we are working on the rear bumper now. We had our pinholes all fixed up. My dad applied a guide coat, so that's what Matt's doing right now. He's taking off the guide coat. You can kind of see it. It's a lot darker here. We're trying to make it light like this. You can actually really see it. So Matt's working on this side of the bumper. I'm currently working on this side of the bumper. The front bumper is currently in the paint booth right now. It's all sanded down, all wiped down, cleaned up, and ready to go. Alright, so we have both bumpers done. They're both in the paint booth right now. My dad's just giving them a quick wipe down, and then we can start the process of paint. I'm pretty excited. I know I haven't been keeping you guys updated through the entire thing. I've tried my best to do as much as I could. So I hope you guys are finding this very informational, and maybe give it a shot yourself. So we are just about to put on the last coat of paint. It is 1 in the morning. We're getting pretty tired. We wanted to finish it up before we left, because we didn't want to have to finish it another day like what happened last time we were here. So like I said, last coat of paint on right now, and then we can put it on. We'll probably be out of here by about 2:30, so maybe 3, who knows. But I still gotta work tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I'll see you guys when the paint is done.
More moments later.
Ooh. Ah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the last video, and we'll catch you on the next one.